Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is 7 HP 208cc OHV engine with dual direct drive gearbox. Maximum 4-inch wood cutting diameter. Max cutting speed 2200 RPM. Dual reversible double-edge blades. Adjustable 180 degrees. Up, down. 2 volts belt. Transmission structure. Comes with 10 inches tires with the 21 inches wheelbase. An in-feed dimension of 18 inches by 15. EPA certified, non-CARB compliant. Not available to ship to California. For off-road use only. The number 3 on the list is Versatile. Ideal for turning leaves, twigs, brush, and branches into nutrient-rich mulch. Rated voltage 120 volts to 60 Hz. Powerful. 15 amp motor effectively chips and shreds branches up to 1.73 inches thick. Safety. Safety hopper with locking knob prevents the motor from operating when opened. Portable. Compact design with 7-inch wheels for easy portability. The number 2 on the list is Versatile. Ideal for turning leaves, twigs, brush, and branches into nutrient-rich mulch. Rated voltage 120 volts to 60 Hz. Powerful. 15 amp motor effectively chips and shreds branches up to 1.73 inches thick. Safety. Safety hopper with locking knob prevents the motor from operating when opened. Portable. Compact design with 7-inch wheels for easy portability. The number 1 on the list is This product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Powerful mulcher wood chipper with a 15 amp electric motor to shred branches up to 1.75 inches thick. Works best with dry, aged branches. Safety shut-off with quick reset button. When overloaded, the motor will shut off, preventing any damage. To continue using a circuit reset button located by the power button on the chipper. Shoot and tamper tool to keep your hands free and safe from the corded electric wood chipper. 1.2 bushel collection bin for convenient cleanup. Powerful 15 amp motor requires 12 gauge 50 feet extension cord. Cord not included. Is not intended for leaves or fibrous plants like corn stalks. Corded electric chipper has 16:1 mulching ration.